Hello, little friends. Today, I will use this brush to write numbers. Follow me to see what I do. We have finished writing the numbers and now we will color them. We will color from number 1 to number 9. We will color each number in a different color. So we have finished coloring. Let's read the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you just finished reading the numbers from 1 to 10. These are the numbers converted by the colored box. One, pink car. 2, green car. 3, yellow car. 4, blue car. 5, orange car. 6, blue car. 7, green car. 8, white car. 9, red car. 10, orange car mixed blue. We're done. Goodbye, everyone.